everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am bringing you a Beauty Big Bang review on the most beautiful water decals. Check them out. Okay, and I kind of have these separated. So these are water decals from Beauty Big Bang, and I will have the links down in the description bar below, as well as my code NAQ57, which you may apply for a 10% discount. And these water decals, they may come as a, you may get them all in a pack of one with all 10 of them, all 10 packs, or they come separated in 2 packs of 5 each. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you these up close so you can see how adorable these are. So appropriate for summer, and they remind me a lot of their brand new large or XL summer stamping plates that they just came out with, because the themes are right there. With, you have fruits, you have candies, unicorns, tropical themes. You'll see. Let me go ahead and bring you up close. So here we are a little bit closer. I'm going to show you the first 5 that they come together as a single pack if you wish. So here we have somewhat of a, they look like watercolor flowers, and they also remind me somewhat of the veiled water marble type of design. So take a look at these colors. Beautiful. So yeah, all these 5, if you choose, these 5 come together in a pack of their own, or you may get them all 10 of them in one pack. So here you have these purple flowers, and here's this set of cute unicorns. Check out the colors, and these are individual water decals, so I will show them to you once I'm done. I will do a demonstration on the application of these as well. But check these out. Here we have sweets, we have cake, we have candy, lollipops. So pretty. And this one you have some pineapples, ice cream, sunflowers. There's a surfboard there with some palm trees. Super cute for summer. So these 5 come together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or you may get these other 5 that come separate as well, and they also have their own little unicorn theme here, slightly different from the other. Check them out. And the fruits, we have some kiwis, watermelons, and some strawberries here as well. Super cute. I think my favorite one here is that one. And here we have more sweets, but see, they're slightly different, so the size of the images and then the colors are slightly different. But here you have again some ice cream scoops, some cakes. Super fun. And this one's more tropical. Here you have the little toucan and that tropical, and then check out the flamingo. How cute are those? And the pineapple. But yeah, don't they remind you of the stamping plates? Check it out. And so then this one is the beach theme with there's some jellyfish in here. And I thought I saw a mermaid. There she is, hiding in the corner. So yes, you may get these. They come in two separate packs of 5 each, or you may get the entire bundle of all 10 of them. And I will have the links down in the description bar. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you with the demonstration of the application on these on my nails, and I hope you guys enjoy. final result after I cleaned up and applied top coat. What do you guys think? Pretty easy application, right? And you saw how when I turned these over, so the backdrop or the background on these water decals is transparent, which is nice. So that way that you know that whatever base color you use is going to show through in between your little images there. So I cannot say that it's going to be the same for every single one of these. Sometimes it's hard to tell until you remove that image off of the water backing, but yes, I do like the clear backing, and you saw how I went ahead and paired it. I couldn't help myself but to use the stamping from Beauty Big Bang's new plate, the stamping plate that I show you. But yes, if you notice when I show you the pictures, they kind of have a relation to their stamping plates there. So I figure, hey, if you have those stamping plates, or if you're getting those, take a look at these water decals, and I think you can come up with some beautiful manis pairing these up. Check them out. I love how it turned out. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful water decals to play with and review. If you guys like this video and this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.